I'm back with another video, man. So, man, you know what it is. The grind does not stop, man. I just been doing my thing, man. Out here getting to it. So, you know, we on our way to a little small car show, old schools, nothing but hot rods. So we finna go check that out, get some footage, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, you know what it is. We out here, LH120 still doing this thing. So if y'all haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. You know, make sure you like, share, all that good stuff. So yeah, we just out here, man, riding, you know what I'm saying, on the interstate. A little rain today, been cloudy all day, so you know that's not gonna stop us though, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I ain't gonna talk too much, but yeah, man, LH120, man, and we see y'all when we get to the show. All right, I'll let you. Peace. Original.
Chassis and all that. Come on by, my friend.
Sorry.
And he always has an open house with a feed, and I just went to see.
What's up?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
You all right?
Yeah. Dang. I thought you said this was a music song.
K all day. Yep. What is this? A Chevelle or is this a Chevelle? What is this? Chevelle?
Yeah, I got one more for right there, yeah.
Is that what that is?
I think it might be.
How you tell? That's how you tell. You can tell like Chevelle or round. I mean, Chevelle or square, Nova's a round.
It's a Nova.
No, this is Chevelle.
This is Chevelle.
Look at the lights. The square lights are
lights.
Chevelle.
Okay.
If it's round, it'll be a Nova. Okay. So that's how I tell.
Nice.
The easiest way.
That's all me right there, boy.
Yeah.
Garage back there or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that mug. That mug's nice.
Real power.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna make me give me a Monte Carlo.
Yeah. This thing is nice.
it.
Favorite part is the rotors, and then they're automatic windows, but they look like roll-up.
Okay. Okay. What year is this?
56.
56. Okay. Yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
They don't make them like that no more.
Yeah. Both of these.
Original.
All original.
Mm-hmm.
Man, my granddad left my uncle a station wagon. It's a 72 Impala or something like that, station wagon. I wonder if he let me get it, let me fix it up. I'll put some money into it. It's a beast. It's a beast.
I can't even fit in something like that. Nice.
Ooh, pretty dog. A baby. How you doing?
Good. How are y'all doing?
Good.
Great. This is clean hair too.
Yeah.
Look at the coat. It almost looks fake.
What's that?
Her coat.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it's just my glasses.
No,
Nope.
it's
Nope.
thick. It looks like they're rough.
It almost looks fake.
Yeah.
I love having a truck like that.
Yeah.
C10. Yep.
Uh-oh, more part.
No, you can start you off from scratch.
Yeah.
Okay, it's kind of like, but it's kind of like this, but it don't look like this. It's more of,
Your daddy's
it's
car?
longer. My granddad's.
Oh.
It's longer. It's right down the street over on McDonald Road, right around the
Oh, okay.
My uncle stays over there. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Scratch, like he's on a hospital bed. Like operating table.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Got the motor in it.
Yeah.
I like how this, I seen one just like it outside.
Are they wood grained it?
Yeah.
The floor?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
how's it going?
This guy must be my L24 by the L24 by the girls.
Mm-hmm.
This fourth car I seen here today one.
Oh wow.
L24.
It's the newest thing.
Yeah.
Fuel pump 10,000.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
You can imagine what it costs.
Oh, I couldn't imagine.
They do nice work there.
Yeah. They don't make them like that. They don't make them like this anymore. If they do, I mean, it's.
Look, you see tracing of like right here, red. That's it. Come here, real quick. I had a question on this. Is that like to have tack? This is
Yeah, I do too.
This is slick right here.
Hey, how's it going?
This is slick here. That's that truck Sylvester Stallone had, Bullet. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
With the same handles. Ripping that thing. Maybe wish I got an auto body in school.
Yeah. Y'all boys from Knoxville? Oh, okay, okay.
Oh shit. Just shoot the video. Just shoot the video.
Alright, y'all. So that was the video for today, man. Got some good footage. You're not gonna want to miss this video. So today's Thursday, so it probably won't be up until like Saturday, mid-Saturday afternoon, sometime around there. Depends, man. So I'm just busy, man. Just like I said, still grinding, man. But this is your boy LH120, man. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, man. You know, all that good stuff. And we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. All right, man. Peace out.